This is the Triangle Borea BR03, and on paper, it's supposed to deliver audiophile-grade sound without blowing up your budget. But here's the thing. After living with these speakers for a week, I discovered something most reviews don't tell you. They're way more demanding than they look. So, the real question is, are these the best budget hi-fi speakers right now, or just overhyped boxes with pretty wood veneer? Triangle Borea BR03 product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Triangle Borea BR03 is a pair of bookshelf speakers from French audio brand Triangle, released as part of their more affordable Borea lineup. These are passive speakers, meaning you'll need a separate amplifier to power them, and they're aimed squarely at music lovers who want that real hi-fi experience without stepping into 1,000 plus territory. They sit in that sweet spot around the mid-budget range, competing with heavy hitters like ELAC and Klipsch. The big selling point? A lively, detailed sound signature paired with wide soundstage performance. Basically, speakers that promise to make your music feel bigger, more immersive, and more alive. Triangle Borea BR03 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do these actually sound in real life? I tested the BR03s across everything, from Spotify playlists and YouTube videos to lossless FLAC files. And right away, these speakers feel alive. The first thing you notice is the soundstage. It's wide, like surprisingly wide for bookshelf speakers. Close your eyes and it feels like instruments are spread out across the room rather than crammed into two boxes. Vocals? Super clear. Whether it's podcasts or acoustic tracks, voices come through with this natural, slightly forward presence that makes everything easy to follow. But here's where it gets interesting. The bass. For their size, these things hit harder than you'd expect. That 6.5-inch woofer delivers a punchy low end that's great for hip-hop, EDM, or movie explosions. But it's not overly boomy. It stays controlled. Now, here's the catch. These speakers need space. If you put them too close to a wall or in a cramped desk setup, they can sound muddy. Give them breathing room, and they absolutely shine. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes these stand out. First up, the EFS Silk Dome Tweeter. Fancy name aside, what it means for you is smooth, non-fatiguing highs. You can listen for hours without that harsh, piercing treble some speakers have. Then there's the cellulose fiber woofer. This is where that punchy yet controlled bass comes from. It gives you warmth without drowning out the mids, which is perfect for balanced listening. Another big feature is the front-firing bass port. This might sound small, but it actually matters a lot. It means you can place these closer to walls than rear-ported speakers without completely ruining the sound. Still, they prefer some space. And finally, their high sensitivity rating. Translation, they don't need a crazy powerful amp to get loud, but better gear definitely unlocks more performance.
Design and build. Aesthetically, Triangle nailed it here. The BR03 comes in multiple finishes, like walnut, black ash, and white, and honestly, they look way more premium than their price suggests. The wood grain texture adds a nice, warm vibe that fits both modern and classic setups. Build quality is solid. These aren't lightweight plastic boxes. They feel dense and well constructed. The magnetic grills are a nice touch too, giving you the option of a clean, minimalist look or a more traditional speaker vibe.
Pros. Wide, immersive soundstage that feels way bigger than the speakers. Clear, natural vocals with excellent mid-range detail. Premium design and build that punches above its price. Cons. Needs space and proper placement to sound its best. Performance heavily depends on your amplifier. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're someone stepping into the world of hi-fi audio and you want a speaker that sounds exciting, dynamic, and genuinely immersive, the Triangle Borea BR03 is a fantastic choice. Pair it with a decent amp, give it some room to breathe, and it'll reward you with a listening experience that feels way more expensive than it is. But if you're tight on space, like a small desk setup, or you just want something plug and play, this might not be the best fit. These speakers demand a bit of effort,